Hello, welcome to Harris Maths. My name is Alistair. Today we'll talk about the difference of two squares. And as an example, we use n minus 1 times n add 1. And when we clear the brackets, we have n squared minus 1 squared, which is 1. So there's a difference between n squared and 1 squared. Now we'll use the identity x minus p, x add p, to illustrate this, and this is equivalent to x squared and xp minus px minus p squared, and this evaluates to x squared minus p squared. And so we write that x minus p, x add p, is equivalent to x squared minus p squared. So if we have any expression where it's a difference between two numbers and the sum of two numbers, we can express it as a difference between two squares. And conversely, if we're given the difference between two squares, we'll be able to express it as two pairs of brackets, one having the sum of those two and the difference between those two variables. Well, let's look at some examples to get started. Right, so the first example we have is u minus 12, u add 12. And directly, without clearing the brackets, a quick way of just doing this is to write it as the difference between u squared and 12 squared, which is 144. You get the same result if you clear the brackets, but this is a lot quicker. Next we have x minus 2y brackets x add 2y. Again, we can write this off the bat by saying it's x, the difference between x squared, and the difference between 2y squared, which will give us 4y squared. Remember, we're actually squaring both the 2 and the y. And lastly, we have, if we're given 10 minus a and 10 add a, it's equivalent to 100 minus a squared. And that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to send them to me. Remember that we use the identity x minus p, x add p, is equivalent to x squared minus p squared. And note, in every problem I've used the identity symbol, it's clearly to say that whatever's on the left hand side is identical to what's on the right hand side, just written in a different form. My name is Alistair. Any questions, comments, requests, please send them to me. And don't forget to like, subscribe, or follow for more videos like this. Bye for now.